The Grant Aerona tree is a AAA rated air source heat pump, meaning it's one of the most efficient units on the market today. The purpose of this video is to show you how to run this appliance at its most efficient. What helps all heat pumps to maximize their efficiency is down to a number of points. The quality of the building in terms of insulation and air tightness, understanding how best to use the heating controls, and ensuring the appliance is serviced annually. To begin, try to set the room thermostats to a temperature that's comfortable but not excessively high. Adjusting these temperatures regularly should be avoided, especially when it's colder outside. The heat pump is being asked then to work harder to generate extra heat than is actually required and can affect the system performance. For all heat pumps, only adjust room stats 1 degree per 24 hours. Please bear in mind that an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius in bedrooms and 20 degrees Celsius in living areas are considered standard. If you're going away in colder periods of the year, do not turn your heat pump off and leave the room stats at their usual temperature. Heating your hot water is also part of the heat pump's role, and this is done very efficiently throughout the year. The temperature of the hot water is usually set to 47 degrees Celsius on the hot water cylinder thermostat. Adjusting this higher will increase the temperature but also the running cost unnecessarily. In fact, in frosty weather, using the immersion timer to boost the temperature is a cost benefit. The frequency of when you use this boost depends on how much hot water your home uses, but generally twice a day is common. This option is also useful for increased hot water demand, for example with extra guests. There have been different timers used over the years. Initially, this Greenbrook unit was used. By lifting this cover and pressing this button once, it will activate the immersion. You must press this button to deactivate the immersion, for maybe an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening. The more common timers are the Sangamo or the Greenbrook 205C. On the Sangamo, press this boost button 3 times to activate the immersion for 1 hour. Pressing this button once will boost it for 15 minutes, twice for 30 minutes, 3 times for an hour, 4 times for 2 hours, 5 times for 4 hours, and 6 times to clear the timer boost. Afterwards, the immersion will be turned off automatically. The Greenbrook 205C is as shown, and by pressing this minus button as shown once, the immersion is activated for 1 hour. Press twice for 2 hours, and 3 times to clear the boost timer. Afterwards, the immersion will be turned off automatically. Please note that this option is only considered in frosty conditions, but it will allow the heat pump to concentrate on the heating system when used. If there is very heavy snow, you should be aware that the area surrounding the heat pump is to be kept clear, as restricting the airflow in and outwards will prevent the unit from operating. Finally, regular annual servicing is recommended to ensure that the unit operates efficiently, as well as to maintain the warranty terms, and is covered as part of the installer training with Grant. Further information on this process can be seen on our YouTube channel as the importance of servicing your heat pump. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further queries, please contact us on the details on screen now.